Hello everyone. Welcome to the final part of the Odyssey program. In this file, we are going to learn or going to watch the hare and the tortoise story. You will get to see me perform the story through pictures. So let us begin. One fine day, a hare and a tortoise were doing their chores in the sunshine. The hare was making fun of the tortoise for being slow. Do you ever get anywhere? The hare asked with a mocking laugh. Yes, replied the tortoise, and sooner than you think. I will challenge you to a race and prove it. I'm amused by you, tortoise. Then let's do a race to prove who is fastest. Thus the race begins. The tortoise and the hare walked to a nearby tree and decided to race till the big lake. The hare set off quickly. He hopped and he skipped. He jumped over logs and ran in leaps. The tortoise started slow, looking here and there, admiring butterflies as he walked. The hare felt tired after running for so long. He sat down beneath a tree and soon fell asleep, knowing that the tortoise was far behind and could never reach him. The tortoise kept walking. Left foot and right foot. And repeat. He did not stop, and soon he came across the sleeping hare. Smiling to himself, the tortoise kept walking. The hare woke up, looked around, searching for the tortoise. There was no sign of him. He knew he had won the race. Jumping in joy, the hare leaped towards the lake. Upon reaching the lake, he was astonished to see the tortoise resting by the shore of the lake. The hare realized he had misjudged his own abilities, and he apologized to the tortoise. And then probably they became friends, or probably the hare learned his lesson and stopped making fun of others. The moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. So that was it for this entire program, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this and for spending your day with me. I hope you enjoyed this. And thank you again. I hope you had fun. Have a nice day. Bye.